Take me back to that evening, that first glance kind of feeling, when my world was suddenly turned upside down. Take me back to that first dance, the one that turned into a romance that I did.
Wish ko kay Sabi, lumaki siya ng mabait na bata. May takot sa Diyos. And yung wish ko okay naman na kasi lahat naman nasa kanya na Maging healthy lang si Sabi at makapagtapos siya ng pag-aaral. Yun lang.
Did you see the way the stars shine from the night it all began? Did you think
Happy birthday, Sabi! Happy birthday, Sabi!
Did you wonder if those fairy tales really do exist? 'Cause I swear as soon as I saw your face, it all made sense. It's right there. Time stood still.
May isa lang akong wish kay Savi, kagaya ng wish ng lahat ng parents, lalo na yung mga first-time parents kagaya din namin, na lagi lang siyang good health and huwag magkakasakit.
Before you said a single word, I knew right from the start that even if I lost you, it'd be worth the broken heart. I don't remember what you said, it always felt like me. And I didn't know where this would go, but I knew you wanted to. So I pushed and I pulled and I tried to ignore that feeling. But as soon as I looked at you, there was no denying. Yeah. Did you see the way the stars shine in the night it all began? And did you think about us late that night and play it back again? And did you
Happy birthday, Sabi! Happy birthday, Sabi!
'Cause I swear as soon as I saw your face, it all made sense. It's right there. Time stood still.
Wish ko lang sa kanya is good health and magpakabuting anak.
Did you see the way the stars shine? Did you see the way the stars shine? Did you see the way the stars shine the night it all began? And did you think about us late that night and play it back again? And did you
Kay Kuya Greg and kay Maris, yun palagi yung ipagpipray namin na sana lagi kayong mentally stable dahil sa inyo rin, kumbaga kayo yung huhubog kay Sabi hanggang paglaki.
Did you see the way the stars shine?